If you're working on Excel sheets and tired of tracking shipments across different websites, now you can do it all within the same sheet. Let's see how. First, install Freight Assistant for Nowexcel from Microsoft Marketplace, completely free. Once installed, enter your details and select your country, and the add-in will be connected to your account. Now it's successfully installed. Open your shipment sheet and you'll find the Excel add-in on the top right. Click on it, then log in using your Nowlun account email and password. All you need is your booking number or bill of lading, BL, and the shipping line name, just these two columns. Once you enter the data and click Tracking, all shipment updates will appear automatically. As you can see, all updates are now available automatically, including vessel sailed, BL, POD, ETA, time of arrival, and ETD, time of departure. If you want more details, you can open the shipment directly through this link, which takes you to Nowlun's shipment management page. And here's your shipment. Not only that, you'll also receive real-time updates on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, just reach out to us. We'll share all the details.